All right, Jack Fruit Seedlings, let's go. Pro Mix, root pouch, community pot of jackfruit right in here. This is just about a month and a week or so, like 6 weeks. Let's take a look and see what we got. Not bad, right? 1, 2, looking healthy. There's another one right there. Try not to damage the taproot. There it is. It looks like it's fine. Growing beautifully. And I think what we'll do is we'll just dump them out like this. There we go. Now, why I show you the root pouches, because I just tried it as a community pot. I didn't have time to individually plant them that day, and I wanted to plant them quickly, so I did. You can see what we got. Looking pretty nice. Now, I need to pot them up quick. So what I'm going to do is, that one looks like the taproot broke on it. That one looks good. That one looks good. That one looks good. Looking good. A couple of pieces of broken taproot. Let's see what else we got in here. Another piece of broken taproot. Another piece of broken taproot. I mean, any more? Yeah, we go. Here we go. There's a couple more down here. There's another one. Now, there goes a piece of taproot flying off. Okay. What do we got here? Looks okay. Anybody else? Let's see. Another piece of root. Otherwise, we're looking good here. I don't see anybody else hiding down there. Mixing it up. Yep, another piece of root. All right, we're gonna pot these babies up. I'm gonna keep them here in the shade and the moist. And we're gonna get one of these little pots here. I'm gonna use, this is a 4 by 9. This is called a tree pot. It's a 4 by 9. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pot one of these in here, and we'll do the rest in the 3 by 8. I'll show you what a 3 by 8 looks like. This is a 3 by 8 right here. And this is a 4 by 9. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and fill this up. Bang it down a little bit. Put my hand in there and just make a little space for the taproot. If we still have one with a taproot, yeah, that was not bad. So we'll put him in there. Just about halfway down in the pot. And then we'll just cover him up. Like so. We'll go around like this. We tap, we hold on to him a little bit. The 2 fingers down the sides here. Tap it. Squish them over a little bit to the left. Get them in the center. Move that there. Bang them down. Rough them up. How tough is a jackfruit? I think they're pretty tough. Okay. Have I ever done it this way, this roughly? No, never. Always been real gentle, nice and kind to them. It's probably the right thing to do. But this way, we will discover how tough is a jackfruit, okay? So there you go. I've potted it up, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll let you know in a couple of weeks what this guy looks like. See you later.